In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in HubSpot in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to streamline your marketing efforts, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So, let's dive in and get started on crafting a compelling newsletter that will grab your audience's attention. First things first, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. From here, we're going to head over to the marketing section. You can find this by looking at the top of the screen where you'll see a tab labeled Marketing. Hover your mouse over this tab and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down options, go ahead and click on Email. This is where we'll begin the process of designing your newsletter. After opening the email section, you'll see a button labeled Create Email. Go ahead and click that to get started. This button will take you to a new page where you can select the type of email campaign you wish to create. Since we're focusing on newsletters today, choose the option that suits your project. It could be a regular email for standard newsletters, or another option if you're looking to do something specific, like a promotional campaign. Next, it's time to decide on a template for your newsletter. HubSpot offers a variety of templates to choose from. You'll see a curated selection once you click on Create Email. If you have something specific in mind, don't worry, HubSpot also allows you to build from scratch. For those who are new or looking for a faster setup, using an existing template can be a real time saver, offering styles and structures that are professionally designed. Now that you've selected a template or chosen to start from scratch, it's time to customize your newsletter. This is where you get to be creative. Start by filling in your subject line and body content, making sure it aligns with your goals and speaks to your audience. HubSpot's editor is very intuitive, allowing you to drag and drop elements seamlessly. You can add images, change fonts, and adjust colors to match your brand identity. Take some time here to ensure your content is engaging and visually appealing. Remember, this is how you captivate your audience and keep them coming back for more. With your newsletter ready, the final step is deciding when to send it. HubSpot gives you the flexibility to schedule your email for a specific date and time, which can be ideal for targeting optimal reading times for your audience. Of course, if you're ready and excited to share your newsletter right away, you can choose to send it immediately. Just make sure to review everything one last time to ensure it's perfect. And there you have it. Your newsletter is ready to go. Creating a newsletter in HubSpot is quick and efficient, allowing you to focus more on creating content that connects with your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing.